Surfers coming to you live today. It's a beautiful sunny day in Amsterdam. Check this out, guys. So what you see over there is old as new Amsterdam. You see the new buildings over there, Amsterdam North. It's gonna be popping. Alright guys, and over here you see old Amsterdam. You can immediately see the difference in the buildings, old structures and everything. Alright guys, sipping on some juice. It's really nice. I mean, iced tea. You gotta drink your iced tea. Gotta keep it fresh. Alright, we got a model, guys. We got a model. Yeah, Amsterdam looking good. Luminair Cafe, Skylounge. Guys, don't forget to check this spot out when you're out here. It is looking dope. Check this weather out, man. Yeah, is this looking good? This is looking good, guys. Iced tea, iced tea. Can we get a big smile? All right. All right, guys. Luminair bar. Luminair. All right. So, guys, this is the vibe up here in Amsterdam today. Hope you guys are having a good time so far, liking the videos and everything. If you like the videos from the drone shots, please share them, because yeah, I'm actually, dude, you guys know what happened today. I actually crash landed and broke one of the propellers. That was sick. I was super scared. My heart was racing, but yeah, got some cool shots, by the way. And without further ado, guys, Amsterdam looking beautiful today. Looking beautiful. Check out this sunny weather. It is looking spectacular, guys. Yeah. Alright. So, and if you guys have any special requests from Amsterdam, guys, please let me know. We are in this bitch today. Cloud surfers all the way, man. We going up. Stay positive, guys. Keep that positive energy going, and be creative, and be open to new ideas. And yeah, man, keep that positive mentality going, guys, because that's what keeps us going, you know. And without further ado, looking forward to upload the drone shots later, so look forward to them. They're gonna be lit. And until then, see you guys later, man. Cloud surfers out.